Hello everyone, I am Miss Sharma. Nutrition begins with food. Nutrition is the process by which the body nourishes itself by transforming food into energy and body tissues. The science of nutrition concerns everything the body does with food to carry on its functions. Food provides essential substances called nutrients. The body needs these nutrients to help it make energy, to grow, repair, and maintain its tissues, and to keep its different systems working smoothly. Nutrition is important for all organisms. However, this article will focus on nutrition as it applies to the human body. The term nutrition can also refer to the quality of someone's food choices, or diet. A balanced diet is one in which foods eaten on a regular basis provide all the nutrients needed in the right amounts. Nutrients. The nutrients are divided into 6 major types: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each nutrient performs specific functions to keep the body healthy. All the nutrients work together to contribute to good health. Carbohydrates. The body's main source of energy is carbohydrates, which include starches, sugars, and dietary fiber. The body breaks down starches and sugars into the simple sugar glucose, the fuel used by red blood cells. Glucose is also the main energy source for the brain and nervous system and can be used by muscles and other body cells. Sugars, or simple carbohydrates, also are a natural part of many foods. There are several types. Fructose, for example, is found in fruits, maltose in grain products, and lactose in milk. These sugars are part of foods that also provide other nutrients. Refined sugars are sugars that are removed from plants and used as sweeteners, or added sugars. Sucrose, or table sugar, is produced commercially from sugarcane and sugar beets and is used to sweeten many foods, such as candy and desserts. All these sugars provide calories but little or no additional nutrients. In addition, eating large amounts of sweetened foods can lead to weight gain and tooth decay. Proteins. Proteins are made of amino acids, small units necessary for growth and tissue repair. About 1/5 of the body's total weight is protein. Hair, skin, muscles, internal organs, and bones are made primarily of protein. Foods from animal sources, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, supply all the essential amino acids. These are complete proteins. Foods from plant sources are incomplete proteins, because they alone or lack one or more of the essential amino acids. Plant sources supply all or much of the protein in the diets of vegetarians, who eat no meat, poultry, or fish. In addition, plant foods, which are often less expensive and lower in fat than meat, are an important supplementary source of protein for many non-vegetarians around the world. Fats. Fats are a concentrated source of energy. Fats in the diet are needed for healthy skin and normal growth. Fats also carry certain vitamins to wherever they are needed in the body and provide a reserve supply of energy. Because fats move through the digestive system slowly, they also delay hunger pangs. The different fats found in food are made up of fatty acids. There are 4 basic kinds of fatty acids: saturated, polyunsaturated, monounsaturated, and trans. Each has a different effect on blood cholesterol levels. In general, saturated fatty acids and trans fatty acids tend to increase one's risk of heart attack and other cardiovascular disease. Saturated fats, fats with a high percentage of saturated fatty acids, are usually solid at room temperature and come primarily from animals. For example, saturated fats are found in meat, poultry skin, lard, and non-skim dairy foods such as butter, cheese, and milk. Unsaturated fats are typically liquid at room temperature and come mainly from plants. Both polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats tend to lower one's levels of LDL cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats may also lower levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol. Vitamins. Vitamins are needed in only small amounts. They are essential for good health. They help keep the body's tissues healthy and its many systems working properly. Each vitamin has specific roles to play. Many reactions in the body require several vitamins, and the lack or excess of any one can interfere with the function of another. Fat-soluble vitamin. 4 vitamins, A, D, E, and K, are known as fat-soluble vitamins. They are digested and absorbed with the help of fats in the diet. Fat-soluble vitamins can be stored in the body, mostly in fatty tissue and the liver, for long periods. If one takes very large amounts of these vitamins in supplements, they can build up to toxic levels. Water-soluble vitamin. The water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water. They include vitamin C and 8B vitamins. Except for vitamin B12, these vitamins are not stored in the body for long. Good sauces should be eaten every day. Minerals. Many people rightly think of rocks when they hear the term minerals. Minerals are also found in soil, metals, and water. To one's body, minerals are another group of essential nutrients, needed to regulate body processes and fluid balance. Minerals also give structure to bones and teeth. Minerals can be divided into 2 categories, major and trace, depending on how much the body needs. Major minerals, which are needed in larger amounts, include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sulfur, sodium chloride, and potassium. Water. Water takes an active part in many chemical reactions in the body. It is also needed to carry other nutrients, to regulate body temperature, and to help eliminate wastes. About 50 to 60% of the body is water. Requirements for water intake can be met in many ways, such as drinking plain water, fruit juices, milk, and soups. Many fruits are about 90% water. Guidelines for good nutrition. Government agencies and scientific bodies around the world publish a variety of nutritional recommendations to promote good public health. These guidelines have changed over time to incorporate new scientific findings. Some guidelines provide the amounts of specific nutrients that people need each day. For example, the dietary reference intakes of the United States and Canada detail the daily amounts of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that men and women at various stages of life should consume. Foods that provide similar nutrients are grouped together, for instance, into a bread and cereals group, a milk group, or a vegetable group. Malnutrition. Malnutrition is an imbalance between the body's demand for nutrients and its available supply of nutrients. Malnutrition can result from an unsatisfactory diet or from a disorder that interferes with the body's use of food. The most common type of malnutrition in the world is protein energy, or protein calorie malnutrition, in which a person chronically gets too little protein, calories, or both. Kwashiorkor, which results from severe protein deficiency, is common among young children in developing countries. It can cause weakness, failure to grow, swelling of the belly from water retention, anemia, and other health problems. Vitamin A deficiency can cause blindness or loss of vision in dim light. Vitamin D deficiency can lead to a faulty deposit of calcium in bones and teeth, resulting in rickets. A child with rickets may have bowed legs. Vitamin C deficiency can lead to scurvy. It causes infected and bleeding gums, painful joints, and impaired wound healing. Obesity, the state of being excessively fat, is a form of malnutrition that can contribute to many health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, diabetes mellitus, and arthritis. It is broadly defined as having a body weight more than 20% above one's ideal weight. Thank you. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, like and share this channel.